Hey friends, who's hungry? These tender, fall-apart, country-style slow cooker pork ribs are a hearty, hands-off dinner perfect for busy nights. Season 3 pounds of bone-in, country-style pork ribs with salt and ground black pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large skillet or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Sear the ribs in batches until they're browned on all sides, then set them aside. In a bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 cup of beer, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, half a cup of chicken stock, and 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. In your slow cooker, add 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped celery stalks, 2 chopped carrots, and 4 cloves of minced garlic. Place the brown ribs right on top of the vegetables. Pour that mixture over the ribs, then add 2 bay leaves. Cover and cook on high for 4 hours or on low for 6 hours until the ribs are tender and easily pull apart with a fork. Serve them warm with your favorite sides and spoon that rich, flavorful sauce right over the top. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.